Hello everybody, nice to be back. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos. I think the last time I did a video I was talking about my dilemmas with cancer, and that's all kind of gotten behind me now. So far so good. I seem to be in pretty good health and happy to be here. So if you're back watching this video and you've seen my other videos, thanks for coming back. For those of you who maybe this is your first time tuning into my channel, please hit the like button and possibly subscribe. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about beards. First off, you'll notice that my beard is considerably shorter. I had to cut it down because of the issues that I was having. I was spending way too much time in the hospital and different places where I could potentially pick something up. And my immune system was low for quite a while. So I cut down my beard. It's now fairly short, but I'm back into the growth period. And by the middle of summer, I expect I'll have a pretty good chunk of beard. So with that in mind, I did get, while I was down and out, I did get a sample of some products from some brothers of mine. And what I mean by that is that for those of you who don't know me, I am a master mason, and I got some beard balm as well as some mustache wax from Fellowship brand. I'll focus in on that for a second. This is Fellowship brand's. This is their beard balm. So their beard balm is a pretty hefty balm. I'm noticing that it's fairly thick here. And it's thick enough to a point where they actually send along a guitar pick to be able to get the balm out. So as you can see here, it's coming out fairly thick. This doesn't seem to have a ton of fragrance to it, which for a lot of guys that can be really, really nice. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to apply this. This entire video is going to be done as if I still had that big, thick beard. Obviously I don't, but I'm going to pretend that I do, and hopefully this will be a little bit of comedy at the same time. So I'm going to take it and go ahead and emulsify that into my hands, and this emulsifies very quickly. That just, I mean, wow, that's super buttery, very smooth. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that into my beard. I'm going to run it in through and down through, well, what isn't there anymore. But if you had a long beard, that's all it takes is just a small amount of this, and it goes in very, very smoothly. It's really nice. I like to get it up in there because, again, remember the idea of this balm is not only to hold your beard into place, but it's also to condition the skin underneath. We all know about how much oils that your skin can produce, and your beard needs a lot of oil, so this helps out with that. So I'm going to put that in there. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and comb it on through. And it's got a very smooth feel. I really like the feel of this. It's fantastic. Get it into the mustache, bring it down, and there you have it. So that's the beard balm. And I got to say, it's a very nice balm. I really highly recommend it. This is Fellowship brand. You can find them online. These guys work on the East Coast as well as the West Coast. They have distribution all over the place, and really good stuff. Again, I'm going to show that one more time. Fellowship brand. Good stuff. All right, so on to Fellowship brand's, onto their mustache wax. This is a mustache wax, and it's like most of the other mustache waxes that you see out there. However, I noticed some of the ingredients in here are really good. There's shea butter, cocoa butter, jojoba oil. It's some really nice stuff. And I'm going to scoop out a little bit of this, and this is about how much we would use for a handlebar mustache like the one I have. Well, not so much. So anyway, just a little bit here on the fingers. I'm going to wad it into a ball, and then I'm going to distribute it between my two fingertips. And like any other mustache wax, I'm going to go ahead and apply that in. I can't see it because I don't have a mirror, but I think we're doing okay. I'm going to get some of that in there, nice and solid, and then bring it out like you would any other mustache wax. Bring it out all the way to the tips, just the tip. Uh, Obviously, I just don't have a whole lot of mustache here, but I'm going to pretend like I do and bring this way the heck up here. What? Again, the texture of this is fantastic. It's got a really good feel. It's very smooth, silky-like. And both of these products have a little bit higher hold than some of the other products that I've used in the past, which is good because like if you're going out for a night, or let's say that you're going to be out all day long goofing around having fun with the guys, maybe smoking cigars and drinking scotch, this is a great thing to have for it, because even in the heat this feels like it's going to hold up pretty good. And like any other mustache wax, I always recommend that you take the can along with you throughout the day. Just kind of have it in your pocket. Kind of keeps that wax warm. If you need to freshen up a little bit, you can always go into a restroom, take a little thumbnail out, and again, get it into the mustache. It's got a real good feel to it. The best thing that I like about this so far is this has a great fragrance. I mean, this really smells good, and it's going to be under your nose all day long. You want to make sure that something does have a good fragrance to it. So again, another product that I highly recommend. My brothers at Fellowship brand, can be found online. Great stuff. Go out and get yourself some. In the meantime, have a great day and take good care. Bye-bye now.